Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again. Welcome back to another video. Yes, I am back. Today we're going to be doing the question set 7 of the DBMS. Yes, as the next question sets we have. And so yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so here we are at the question set 7 right here, as you can see. So the description says, there is a computer company called Next Computer. All marketing in the company is done using a computer software. The software is used with the database to store the data. The product table of the database is given below. Right, so here's the table as you can see right here. Of course, every thing in the data table is a laptop, as you can see. All the laptop brands and laptop models, and it gives the quantity of it and the price. Right, so now that we've seen everything right here, let's go to the... Right, so the first question here says create a database named Next Computer to save the data in the product table. Right, well that's easy. We go over here, we select File, New Model, and after that we rename it. We rename the whole thing to, what was it? Next Computer, right? There we go. Now that we renamed it, we make it now here. And there we go. That's the answer for the first question. Now that we're done with that, let's go to the second one. Right, so the second question here says create a table named product in your database. Follow the instructions below to create a table. Right, so here we got the table right here, so we have to make this in the database we just created. Right, so let's do that. Pretty sure the name is product, I think. Yeah, that's the name. Rename it. Product. Pretty sure the first one was product ID. Yep. Make it primary key and auto increment. Product ID. This was, what was this? The data type for this, it was int and didn't have a length. Primary key. And make it the auto increment. There we go. And the next one was brand, model, and quantity and price. Brand. Pretty sure it was what? Watch 45. Model. There we go. And the next one was quantity and price, I think. Yeah, it was. Quantity. This one was an int. Yeah, there it is. Int. Pretty sure the price was double. Hang on. Price. Data type for this one was double. And there it is. There we go. And we created our product table. As you can see, our table here is fully complete. And whoop, hang on a second. Oh, I made a mistake. Never mind. Hang on a second. Let me fix that. Whoop. Well, this should be an example for you guys to make sure you guys don't make the same mistake I did, and make sure you put everything right. So now, as you can see, everything is like order. As you can see, everything as it should be. Now that we're down here, let's get to the next question. Alright, so now it's time for the forward engineering part. We go over here. We select this. We give it our password. Next. Next again. Again next. And forward engineers finished successfully. Right, so if we close this, we go to our Heidi. And if we come here and we refresh this whole thing, and it should be here. There it is, the next computer database, as you can see. And there's a table right here, as you can see. We created it. Right, now that we're done with the forward engineering, let's go to the next question. Alright, so the next question here, it says, insert the data into the product table you created. Use the data in the product table above. So they're telling us to add all these data into the table we just created. So it doesn't really specify what method I should use to actually insert the data, whether it's query or just manually. So I'm just gonna insert the first one using a query, and I'll put the rest of them using manually. Right, so if we go here, we'll go to our query. Let me just erase all of these. Now we type in our query, which is the insert query. There we go. No, wait. Insert into, we put product. There we go. Next one is we put the columns inside. Now within these brackets we have to put the columns. So the first column was product ID. After that we put what was it? I think it was the brand or the model. Yeah, it was the brand. Right. Brand. After that we put the model. Model 1. After that we put the I think it was the quantity, I think, yeah. Yeah, it was the quantity. Quantity. After that, the price. QT. Oh, QTY. Then price. Now we put the values in. Put the values. Now we put the brackets on. After that, we put the data into it. ID number is 1, and the brand is ID number 1. Pretty sure the brand was HP. After that, the next one was, I think the model was Pavilion. I think it was Pavilion. Yeah, it was Pavilion. There we go. And the next one was the quantity. Yeah, there was like 15 of them. Yeah, 15 and 175,000 rupees. Yeah, 15 and 175,000 rupees. Got it. Now the price, which is 175,000 rupees. There we go, and now I put a semicolon. After that, I run this query, and if I refresh this table right here, there you go, the data has been entered. Now it's gonna take a while for me to enter all the rest of them, so I'll just skip to the part where we enter. Alright, so here we are at the table right here. I've filled everything up. All the data has been inserted to the table, as you guys can see. So it's all the same right here and here. Everything's the same. Right, so now that we're done here, let's go to the next question. Alright, so the fourth question here, it says, the owner of the store has identified the Lenovo brand as the least sold computer brand in his company. He has decided to remove the Lenovo brand from his store. Write the relevant query statement to remove the Lenovo brand. Right, so this one is quite easy. All you have to do is write the delete query for the Lenovo brand, that's right here. You go to the query and you write the delete one. After that, you write the database name. Now you put the table name right here. After that, you write the rest. Now you choose which column it is. And now you write what you want to get rid of, which of course in this case the Lenovo brand. There we go. We close it off. Now we run this query. Of course, right till here, the Lenovo brand is still here, but if I refresh this, boom, it's gone. Right, so that's how we get rid of that. Now let's go to the next question. Alright, so here we are at the fifth question right here. The Asus brand ROG Zephyrus M15 laptop is no longer manufactured. So it has been decided to remove this laptop from the database. Write the required delete query statement. Right, so this is a different delete query statement from than before. Hang on. Now of course here we write something quite different than before. Which is the brand of course is different. This time the brand is going to be Asus. There we go, Asus, and of course we get the model. Which is the ROG Zephyrus M15. Semicolon. Now, if I run this, right here, it's still here, but if I refresh this, boom, it's gone. So, now that we're done with all the questions, let's get to the end of the video. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we reached the end of the video right here. Yeah, that was all the questions of question set 7 of the DBMS question class. Yeah, so that's all we have for today. This next video is going to be the question set 8. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.